Alright, today I'm going to show you two super easy and quick ways to remove duplicates in a data set. So here we have name, city, and age, and what I'm going to do, I'm just going to copy this real quick just so that you can see the duplicates that are getting removed, right? So if we look at the set, obviously this is a pretty tiny data set. If we're looking through here, we have two bills, right? And right here, this is a duplicate. Now Chris and Chris, that is not a duplicate. Even though it's the same name and the same age, they're different cities. So that wouldn't be considered a duplicate, right? So we have one duplicate with Bill, and then here with Phil, we have another duplicate. So Phil from Seattle, 43. So there should be two duplicates that we remove. So by the time we finish this, there should be two less lines. So the two ways to do this are one within Excel, there's a header button that you can select, and there's a formula that you can use, right? So I'm going to select my data. I'm looking for duplicates in columns F, G, and H. And if I go to the data tab and I look here under data tools, I can see here this is a remove duplicates. So go ahead, click on that. So then it's going to ask you what you're looking at, right? So we're looking at columns F, G, and H, so that's correct. And I'm going to go ahead and select this box saying my data has headers. That way it's not going to get rid of one of these blank rows because technically they're duplicates because they're both blank. That way it's only going to look at their data here, right? So I'll go ahead and hit OK, and it's going to say 2 duplicate values found and removed. 9 unique values remain. So we'll hit OK. And then we can see here that the two Chris's stayed the same. The duplicate Bill was deleted and the duplicate Phil was also deleted. So here we have our data without duplicates. Alright, so the other way to do this is to use a formula. And this formula is the unique formula, right? So it's just going to want our array is essentially all we need to select. And here we're just going to select this. We'll hit enter, and then it's automatically going to remove all those duplicates. So if it was done correctly, it should be the same as this chart. And here we can see that's identical. The only difference is that it didn't keep the formatting because we didn't copy and paste it. We use this formula to show us all the unique values, essentially getting rid of all the duplicates throughout that table array that we had selected. All right, so those are the two easiest and quickest ways to get rid of duplicates in data sets within Excel. I hope you found that useful. Please subscribe, smash the like button. I appreciate that so much. Thank you, and have a great rest of your day.